Here's a little more of what I have to deal with. Watch how he steps back and just stares and admires the snowmobile like it's the greatest thing in the world. If you keep watching, you will see him just stand and stare at it like it's so beautiful. Give him a minute, he'll do it, guaranteed. He always does. Oh, that's the strong and powerful Polly there. Ugh. He can lift anything. Well, gotta listen to that motor again. Oh. Gotta stand back and admire it from a distance again. Told you he'd do it. He always does. Go farther out in the yard and get a further view of it. He'll turn around in a second and take a glance. You'll see. He always does. See? Told you. Wonder what it looks like from a distance. Oh man, she's a beauty. What an idiot. Oh, I think he caught me taping him. Better turn it off now.